Over there, those are the main high-rise cars. And if I come around here, we have a set that goes up higher in the building. Oh, look. There's the pit down there for them. Same cabs as the others. 243 or 44. Quick. Wow. Look at that vintage water fountain. That's cool. Look at that. I've never seen one like it before. Doesn't work though. All right, let's go down. I'm gonna go to 35. Pretty quick. Stays fast. Wow, look at this building. What a neat building this is. Anyway, look, those are the original Haughton switches. Let's see the chime once more. Awesome. Anyway,